Are you suffering a strange problem of sore boobs and leaky nipples? Are you failing to conceive even after lowering high prolactin levels? Do you suffer multiple miscarriages? If your answer is yes, you may have a serious problem with hyperprolactinemia. Perhaps your doctor recommended bromocriptine or cabergoline to reduce high prolactin levels. I think even after trying these medicines, you are not yet conceived. You may eventually end up with IVF procedure. Here is what you need to realize. Hyperprolactinemia can be cured naturally, and therefore there is no need of venturing into IVF. If you are so scared that whether you can conceive with hyperprolactinemia, this video will give you a sense of hope and clear direction. In this video, you will learn everything about hyperprolactinemia, including 3 simple ways of treating it naturally. What is hyperprolactinemia? Hyperprolactinemia is the presence of high levels of prolactin in the blood. The most important role of prolactin is to stimulate milk production in women after the delivery of a baby. During the breastfeeding time, the high prolactin levels serve to inhibit ovulation. This is the reason why women who are breastfeeding do not get their periods and therefore do not often become pregnant. Hyperprolactinemia is a serious health problem. It is a sign of deteriorating endocrine system, a weakening immunity system, disturbing hormonal system, and also dwindling fertility system. The root cause of hyperprolactinemia and other hormonal disorders is an autoimmune disease and weakening immunity system. Autoimmune diseases and a weakening immune system is the direct result of modern dietary and stressful lifestyle. The link between hypothyroidism and hyperprolactinemia. Cortisol and adrenaline are stress hormones. These hormones, coupled with excess consumption of carbohydrates, causes an imbalance in the blood sugar levels and result in poor gut health. Imbalanced blood sugar levels eventually cause hypothyroidism. In order to activate thyroid gland, the brain releases thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone is one of the factors for high prolactin levels. So, there is a direct link between hypothyroidism and hyperprolactinemia. It also means that treatment for hypothyroidism is also a treatment for hyperprolactinemia. Hyperprolactinemia is treated with medications known as dopamine agonists, that is, bromocriptine and cabergoline. They are generally used for treating diseases like Parkinson's disease and ADHD. But if you want to be successful with hyperprolactinemia, you must focus on addressing the root cause of this problem. Addressing the root cause of the problem not only ensure conception but also heal all other hormonal problems. Addressing the root cause is nothing but changing diet and lifestyle so that your hormonal balance is restored fully. Fighting hyperprolactinemia and all other fertility problems require 3 things. 1. Stabilizing blood sugar levels through low carb diets. 2. Strengthening the immunity system through proper supplements. 3. Minimize the effect of stress through yoga and meditation. Here are 3 simple ways to treat hyperprolactinemia naturally. 1. Eat fertility boosting foods. Foods rich in proteins, fats, and micronutrients are the fertility boosting foods. Foods rich in sugars and carbohydrates are the fertility diminishing foods. So eat plenty of fresh meat, fresh fish, seafood, and non-starchy vegetables. Avoid sugar-rich foods completely. Also, minimize foods based on white flour. Here you can also consider fertility smoothie kit with plant protein to repair endocrine system, correct hormonal imbalances, and to enhance the health of egg. Fertility smoothie kit contains maca powder, a nourishing food for endocrine system that supports pituitary, adrenal, and thyroid glands. Royal jelly provides vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, which helps support normal egg health. Plant protein, vanilla, a complete protein derived from a blend of 4 organic plant proteins. 2. Take fertility supplements DHEA and EPA. Take DHEA and EPA supplements to be extra careful. These supplements are a must for healthy fertility and its sustenance. Here you can consider Fertilica cod liver oil. Fertilica cod liver oil supplies both DHEA and EPA. It supports normal hormonal balance, supports healthy cervical mucus production, promotes regular ovulation. 3. Practice fertility yoga for stress management. During extremely stressful times, your body do not conceive. Excessive stress means excessive adrenaline production. Adrenaline inhibits progesterone, which is essential for conception. It also signals pituitary gland for the release of higher levels of prolactin. So, management of stress is essential for conception. Want to increase your fertility 3 times in next 45 days? Can you spend 30 minutes a day to enhance your fertility? Then you need the fertility yoga plan. The fertility yoga plan is all about practicing 3 yogic techniques that require hardly 30 minutes a day. New scientific studies confirm these 30-minute yogic practices can help you get pregnant. Click the link given in the description for more details. Our mission is to support the women fighting infertility and therefore give your valuable comments whether our content is helping you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can support even better.